Hi everyone, I hope everyone has an amazing day. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to create action in Adobe Photoshop. In order to do that, I just download some pictures from pexels.com and I'm going to randomly choose one and open it with Photoshop. I choose Photoshop here, open with, I said, now wait, my photograph will open with Photoshop. I just opened this photograph with Photoshop, and now in order to create the action, we click Window and then we say Actions. Here we select this. If you don't want to select it from the menu, then you can press the short key, which is Alt and F9, but I'm gonna select it from menu. I click Actions, and here on the right side opens the window, which I'm gonna create just now. I create a new folder here, and I'm gonna name it Black White. In this particular sample, I'm going to make every photo in black and white, and I'm going to save it in another folder. And now I create the folder here, and now I create the action. I'm not going to change the name, and I press the record button. And now we have the recording action in live. Now I go back to above menu, and in the image section, choose mode. And here I will choose the grayscale. Here I choose it, and I say discard, and our photograph became in black and white. I'm gonna save it as in another folder. I go back to my desktop. I create a new folder. I'm gonna name it Black White Photos. I just create the folder and I go inside. I'm not gonna change the name. I leave it like that. I press save. Here it says the quality. I'm not gonna change everything here. I press OK and I just save it. I'm gonna close it, record the last action, and here we have the actions. Here we have the convert mode, the save mode, and the close mode. And now I press stop in order to stop my action recording. So in the next part, we have to open File here and say Automate Batch. I'm gonna choose the source folder, which we have our colored photos. I go to JPEG photos, which I have all the colored photos here. I say open folder or choose folder. And now we have to select the destination folder, which we have created recently. And I say here black and white photos. Let's say choose the folder. And here in the file naming, I'm not going to change anything. We have the file name and the file extensions. We leave it like this. Then we press OK. And here now we are waiting each folder convert. I'm going to fast forward the video and see what we have in the result. Okay, the conversion is done. I close my Adobe Photoshop. I don't need it anymore. Here we have our source folder, which we have all colored photos. I'm going to leave it to the side here. And to the left side, I'm going to take my recently created folder, which is black and white photos. I open it, and here we have the result, and this is the result. This shortcut works very fine, and if you have, for example, 100 photos, then you don't have to make it one by hand. You can choose the action method in order to convert every photo easily and automatically. So the video was like this. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future contents. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.